Hi, I'm Liz, and this is the Clyrio washing machine cleaner for front-loading washing machines. Thank you to the brand for sending this to me for the purposes of this video. And I have to admit that even though I have wiped out the front portion of that washing machine, I could never figure out why it always just kind of still smelled. And so when they sent this to me, I was really excited to try it out and see if I could really fix what was going on with the machine. Because while I thought we lived in a clean house, we cleaned the bathrooms, wiped down the counters, do all the things, I didn't realize how dirty the washing machine was. So this disinfects, it freshens, it deodorizes and protects. And the thing that I really like, well, one, I really like good packaging. So I love that it is in this little cylindrical shape, easy to pull on and off cap. And each of these tablets comes individually wrapped. So there's no risk whether you live in a humid or a dry climate of them getting gross inside here because they're all wrapped up for whenever you are ready to use them. Now, like I said, since we had been in this house for a while and had never done anything like this for the washing machine, it took me 4 times before I really felt like it was starting to work. And I really like that it's easy to use. So, because they're individually wrapped, before you put them in, you're going to put them into the actual drum, not up where you usually put your detergent. So, you're going to open one up, you're going to put it in the washing machine, and then you're going to run it. If you have a clean cycle, you're going to run it on clean. My washer does not have that. So I actually ran it through on normal. I did run it through one time on a cycle called pure because it said that it would run extra hot and would get rid of extra dirt. So I thought that was probably worth trying. And it worked. So we've got this where you place it directly into the drum, you run it through, and then when you're done, you can give it like a quick little wipe down. Now, I really like that I can just keep these on top of my washing machine. And when I finish my wash every 2 weeks, I can just grab one out and throw it in, run it, and be done to maintain the cleanliness of the washer. This container comes with 24 tablets, so it's literally a year's worth of supply in just one order. So if you have a front loader washing machine and you're like me and you've never cleaned it, I recommend that you try these and then use them to keep up with the cleanliness of your washing machine. I hope that helps.